the Cleer Ally Plus 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Cleer Ally Plus 2 true wireless earbuds. They feature active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, an assortment of ear tips, and a Type-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 11 hours of listening time, 33 hours with the case. 5 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, aptX codec, and CVC8 for noise cancellation. 10mm drivers, touch controls and an app, ANC and an ambient feature, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case is compact and it has a clear lid so you can see the earbuds. It has a matte finish all around and it's easy to grip. This is the midnight blue color and it also comes in stone. Inside the case it has a status LED indicator. And on the back you have the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are held into place by magnets. They're easy to grip and remove from the case, and you can see the ear indicators etched in on each side. It also has wireless charging, and you can see it here on the charger activate. The earbuds fall slightly on the larger side. It has a matte finish all around just like the case, and the ear markings are on the inside face. The outer face has the branding and a large surface for the touch control. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, sensor, charging contacts, microphones, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. Toggling ANC and transparency is just a double tap and you will hear a voice prompt indicating what setting you're on. This has app integration as well. Once downloaded and paired, you have access to the ANC and ambient settings, custom EQ, assigned touch control assignments, general settings, and software updates. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.7 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 48 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's not you, it's me, it's she. It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know, and I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperate.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Cleer Ally Plus 2 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone was loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They seated nicely in my ears and it felt secure. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The touch controls help in alleviating additional pressure. Build-in quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable, and I like the clear lid. Earbuds are a bit on the larger side and they will protrude out a bit. The touch controls were responsive and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is good, coming in at 11 hours and 33 total with the case. I like the app integration, but it would have been nice to see a better IPX rating. The active noise cancellation can filter up to 34 decibels of noise. I found it to work really well, and it definitely ranks up there with some of the better ANC. The transparency feature was loud and clear as the microphones picked up the surroundings when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in heavy and deep, and it can be overwhelming at times. Definitely not lacking, and this has a warm sound signature. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, but recessed. It can be dialed up a few notches to get more of a balanced sound. Overall, the ANC and transparency features are a good addition. These earbuds are perfect for those seeking a warm, energetic sound signature. So that is my review of the Cleer Ally Plus 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.